After the full day of looking for the laptop, this is the right place and right people around. Super cool. How you doing, guys? Today today's the vlog will be a little bit different than usual because as you saw, Winnie is busy working over the weekend where we stayed in the hotel. I borrowed her my MacBook Pro and she really liked it. Her laptop is super old and super slow, and Winnie is working hard on very heavy files, so you can imagine how terrible is it. And she finally decided she wanna buy her own MacBook, and she decided she will buy MacBook Air, and that will be the vlog about how to buy MacBook Pro Air laptop in Bali. And you will say that will be boring, but it's completely different way how you're gonna buy it in Bali than in other countries, let's say in Australia, Singapore, Europe, and obviously America, because it's not easy. First, it's no official Apple stores in Indonesia and probably never gonna be. That's very complicated, and there are some resellers, official and unofficial, limited stock, overpriced prices, and yeah, so we will see how it is. I spent this morning to looking for it for the shops. I found one shop and have very similar prices to the official store. They have a in stock laptop, gold color, so sexy color. I mean sexy for Winnie, not for me. I will be a little bit look suspicious if I will work on the gold laptop, but we will try. I will try to buy it. She's still working anyway. So obviously, if you wanna buy something like a new iPhone, new MacBook, and you have to have a cash itself, like a paper money, not card, because Indonesian bank accounts they have a limit, mostly 10 million maximum. Some banks accounts they even have a 5 million, which is like $350-700. So I have to go to the bank and withdraw money, driving bike with the masks. That's the new normal in Bali. By the way, soon next week is Independence Day. That's why so many flags over here and the traffic. So basically the problems with the resellers in Bali is that as they put really overpriced their goods in the shop, so they can put like even $700 profit on laptop or iPhone. So you have to find a good shop, and I found one shop where what I gonna go now. I used to buying some accessories long time ago there, and it's really decent. And other thing is, as many people who working in these shops, they are not like in the official Apple stores. They are super friendly, super have a knowledge about what they do, what they sell, and whatever you're gonna ask, they will know the answer for that. Here you have to be very patient, especially if you speak English. They are just the normal workers, and they don't really know too much about that, so don't ask too difficult questions, of course, if you can handle it by yourself. I used to buy my MacBook Pro and in this March when I was in Singapore, so I know everything what to do. However, I will try to make a vlog with that. And second thing is, as they always in Indonesia, no matter what you buy, they will always ask you to sit. They will open this laptop, iPhone, whatever next to you. They will set up and everything next to you, for you. I don't know why, but they always do, which is, so for me, is something a little bit ridiculous, and I'm always asking why it's like that, why I cannot just buy the phone and take it home, and they just say that this is just the rules here in our shop, in every shop in Bali, in Indonesia. So I think there are loads of scams before, long time ago, or many fakes products, and people complain, something like that. That's probably the reason. However, it's very ridiculous for people from Western countries. So guys, I'm just after visiting the bank. I'm in the Permata Bank headquarters in Denpasar. It's close to the shop, by the way. This is the main headquarters of bank, and you can withdraw 3 million in the same time. And I was spending like more than 10 minutes withdrawing the all limits of money using 2 bank accounts. And this is the money. Look at this, guys. It's not to show off, it's just to show you guys how it looks. $1,200, which is like, it's still not enough. I'm short because I reach my limits. I hope so. I have my own personal cash somewhere in my wallet enough. If not, I will have to use my third card. Loads of slips, loads of cash, and we will go to the shop now. Let's see. It's loads of fun. It's really like small thing. You just buying laptop or buying phone, but it's a lot of fun, and you have to have half day to do this. It's really different experience than doing this in different country, you know, guys. We will see. So that's unbelievable. I was just in the shop and they said that the laptop is sold out. Could you believe that? Oh my god, I don't know where I'm gonna find this now. So bad. Sorry guys, but this is really, I didn't like make a scenario for that. This is really disappointing. I don't know. I will try to find some in different place, guys. So, like I said, this is really good fun to trying to buy something in Bali, right? Alright guys, now I'm in the Jalan Sunset Road in Kuta. It's one shop over there next to the Burger King. I checked their Instagram. They said as the stock of MacBook Airs are ready. I hope so. It's really disappointing and really upsetting, you know, trying to find something in Bali, especially it's not cheap stuff and everything. It's really like in normal conditions I will be already at morning flight in Singapore, and I will be already on the way home with the laptop in my suitcase, and I will make super cool, interesting vlog, 1-day trip to Singapore. I will stay overnight and explore more. But this is during the new normal and current situations. Everything, but literally everything is just more complicated. I don't know. And for me, it's like it's not laptop for me. I have my laptop to editing videos for tomorrow. But I feel really sorry to Winnie, as she worked hard and it's more complicated than usual. Anyway, sorry guys about the today's vlog, how it looks like, but this is real life. We do the daily vlog on daily basis, so this is how it looks. My days today, I'm looking from early morning till already is 5:30 p.m. I'm just looking forward to buy the MacBook laptop. So that's how it is. I hope so, and still you enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm just next to the Burger King parking, and this is really unbelievable and so disappointing. This shop is very small shop, resellers, The service staff is super nice and friendly, speak very good English and everything, but the price of the MacBook Air, the same on the previous shop, is 3 million more expensive. 3 million is $220. It's quite a lot. For another $150 I can have a MacBook Pro, and this is just ridiculous how's the high commission in some shops in Bali. I completely have no idea where I gonna find this. After 20 minutes of browsing everywhere, I found something like this. It's blurry anyway. It's the iBox shop, so it's Inche Ori authorized reseller in Bali by Apple, and the iBox shop in Lipomor in Kuta, close by airport. 15,999,999,999, 16 million ready in stock, but was listed 1 week ago on Facebook, so I will try. This is probably the last chance for me. One authorized shop in the Bali Mall Galleria, I called them, they said everything is sold out, and they have a MacBook Air from 2017 for 14 million. Air is looking for money, I guess. This is kind of mafia in Bali. And over there is the police small station, not police station but police patrol. By the way, Narkoba Perman, no way it's mean about the Nor drugs, and this is death penalty in Bali. And I don't know what's this. This is actually boy maybe, but this is the girl. She's coming and she gonna knock my door. She looks so cute, but she saw us a recording and she ran away. But this is mafia. I'm on the way to the Lipo Mall iBox. Let's see, I hope so will be open. I got some contacts on Facebook and everywhere, but nobody answered. One guy answered in Bahasa Indonesia. It's okay, I understand. As he's not at shop, give me contact number to her friend, but no answer. I hope so it is, as iBox is officially licensed reseller, and if they really have 15,999, 16 million, I take it. Out guys, just entered to the Kuta, and it's so quiet on the streets. Before, the shots was from Denpasar, Teukumar, level 21, area, Marlboro, and it was so busy. But now Kuta is definitely much more quiet. You see the difference? That's what I was talking yesterday about. Alright guys, I just arrived to Lipo Mall. It's super quiet by the way. Check this out. Nice guitar shop. And I was already, I'm not gonna lie, I was already down in the Lipo Mall iBox. They have a last model of laptop available in stock, exactly the same price what I want. So I just go now and I will buy it. Oh, happy days, Winnie. Finally you will have a good stuff, good gear to work. Here we go. After the full day of looking for the laptop, this is the right place and right people around. Super cool. I'm already so happy with that. So we bought already the laptop, and check this out. Got a lot of money left. So guys, if you're gonna buy laptop in Bali, this is how it looks, your money. This is just $1,200, but this looks like you are the millionaire, right? This is 16 million. This is like a lot. Papers only. That's so cool. Big thumb up to this shop. Alright guys, so I got the MacBook case. This is super lovely guy, big stamp up, really great service. This is the iBox. This is non-paid advertisement, okay? This is just because I'm happy as they are professional, and this is the officially authorized.
Yes, of course.
Authorized.
Apple Premium.
Apple Premium is like they send you the invoice to the email and everything, so it's really decent, really big thumb up. I took mask only because you will don't hear what I'm saying. We will just open quickly if everything is correct, just like I said before, to make sure. I'm pretty sure S is okay, just make sure again, and I will go home. Check this out. This is the moment, this is the time.
Okay.
Yeah. Check this out, sexy color.
Yeah.
All is good, all is seems perfect. Beautiful. And of course inside charger.
Cable charger, 2 meter, and the box and adapter.
Adapter.
Yeah.
Ooh, adapter is small than mine. Nice.
You can just.
Ooh, check this out. Gold stickers, guys.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
cool.
So same color.
Yeah. Cool. And let's just open inside.
Mungkin ada colokan ini.
Perfect.
Iya.
It's working fine. Check this out. The screen is of course not broken, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. That's it. You can close.
Yeah.
All is good. Big thumb up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, transaction is successful, all is good. I'm really happy now. You saw me a little bit stressed before, but all is good. And this is my stuff.
Okay.
And thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you. See ya guys. Alright guys, so I got the laptop. It's here. Super cool, very professional. Of course original, really super cool experience, almost like in the Apple shop. The guys really know what they do. This is officially authorized shop, so they send you receipts like I said before. Super cool, almost priced the same like in Singapore, just 500k more, which is like a $30 more. In Bali is different, like I said, super cool. And okay guys, that will be enough for today's vlog. I'm gonna go home. Winnie's already home waiting for me. I hope so she will be happy with that. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Today's completely different vlog as usual, but this is how it looks, our day, my day today. I didn't have time to do completely different tasks, so I hope so you still enjoy it. Mission is complete and successful. So again, thank you so much for watching, and new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow guys. Thank you. See ya.